Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to overlay in Capcut PC. Without any further delay, let's get into it. So I have already imported two videos that we are going to use in this video. Let's add this video as our main video in the timeline. And this video will be our overlay. So if I click here, you can see that overlay video also add on the main timeline. So to add this video as an overlay, take this video and put up on the main video. But now you cannot see the main video, you can only see the overlay. Now click on overlay video and you will see these white borders around the video. So adjust the size and positions as you want, like I'm doing. But let's say you want the overlay video to look like a circle. Click on mask, select circle mask, adjust the positions, and click on Basic. Now take this circle overlay and put anywhere you want. Let me play the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong.
That is how you can add overlay in Capcut PC and laptop. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.